So we're back and the salt one has dried. So if we take off the salt, we can look and it left this really cool pattern. And where the coarse salt was, it left bigger kind of splotchy marks, and where the fine salt was, it left the little fine kind of splotchy marks. So this one is dry and it has that little resist on it, so we can take our paintbrush and let's use some green. And we can paint right over that resist. Just like that. And we'll let that dry, and then there's going to be one more step. And while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to work on the rubbing alcohol one. So we are going to take our brush. We're going to pick a color. I'm going to use some brown. And we're going to paint over our square just like before. Okay, but this time we're going to just take some ordinary rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to put some in the cap here, and we're going to take our paintbrush and we're going to dip it into the rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to paint, and then I'm going to just kind of drop it on to the watercolors and watch what happens. It kind of makes this cool little thing. Let me see if I'm going to get a close-up on the camera with this. Got my water, and I'm going to put just some rubbing alcohol, and you can see it kind of changes the watercolor just a little bit, which is kind of cool. So rubbing alcohol on watercolors.